December 6, 2018, the release date of a game mode that unlocks a lot of opportunities for imaginative players on Fortnite. The arrival of the creative mode for Season 7 has led to many impressive and nostalgic structures being built already. And today, we'll give you our top 3 picks for creative mode's awesome builds. Pick number 3, the Enigma Castle. You know what's better than recreating maps from the movies? Making your own grandiose map that hits every player's sweet spots, of course. The Enigma Castle, created by Reddit user Nepalchemist, is one such place. The map is teeming with greenery and sprawling with bushes, trees, and all manner of towering battlements to practice on. Pick number 2, Inception. One of the craziest maps to try out in Fortnite Creative Mode, the Inception map. YouTube user AlariZ did a magnificent job recreating the landscape and the idea behind the movie Inception. Bet you didn't think Fortnite was capable of confusing the hell out of its players, but this map succeeds at doing just that. Better prepare for a trippy gaming experience. Oh, and good luck figuring out which side is up or down and which direction is left or right. Pick number 1, Nuketown from Call of Duty. YouTuber XFitJesus created his version of Nuketown in Fortnite. Nuketown is one of the most recognizable COD maps ever. It was originally included in Black Ops 1 and has went on to get featured in numerous titles. Eventually, it's become a fan favorite in the COD community. This Nuketown comes complete with the 2 houses on either side of the map, along with a bus and the truck located at the very center. And that sweet, sweet bonus, the Teen Titans Tower. Check out YouTuber Who's Chaos as they decide to screw the creative mode and just build the giant T. It's not the T-Series tower, just the Teen Titans Tower. And there's also no way we'd pass up AlariZ's Great Wall of China in creative mode. You gotta admit, that takes a lot of meticulous building to complete. Have you created any maps in Fortnite's creative mode? Tell us about it in the comments below, and give this video a thumbs up if you're up for checking out these maps as you play Fortnite. Give that little bell icon a tap and subscribe so you can keep seeing more of ScoopFed TV's latest videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time.